show. We already started to make some of the ingredients. So we put in Oreos, milk, and chocolate syrup. And now we're crunching up some Rice Krispies so that we can to make it crunchier. And we put marshmallows in the fridge to put on top later. And we're melting chocolate right now.
Show what we're doing over here.
So she's crunching up those just to make it, better.
It's gonna like foam.
The chocolate should almost be. Oh, it's done. Okay. I'm just gonna. Not being too happy with me. Where's my stirring spoon?
It's up your butt.
Where's the one that I was washing?
Right there.
Must have been. Okay, so the chocolate is almost melted. We need more chocolate in this. I only put 3. There's only 2 left. Okay, so we're gonna put more chocolate in here.
And put some of this in.
And some mint chocolates after. It'll melt later. So some mint chocolates. They're all dark chocolate, but these ones have mint, so it'll be a little minty.
Chocolate.
This is why you always wear oven mitts.
Chocolate can be that hot.
Okay.
We're putting another
50 seconds. That's 150 seconds so far.
Yeah, so far.
Oh, that. Oh.
And when you
Oh,
get
that's
a
my water.
when you get a burn like that, you rinse it on the cold water.
I'm gonna have to help work the tap. Right now.
It's off. I'm gonna go dry my hands. Yeah, I should bring some napkins over here.
Why don't you use a rolling pin for that?
What?
Why don't you use one of those rolling pins?
She's gonna crunch it up with a spoon. So this was one of my tasting spoons.
Yeah,
So
there you go.
This was a suggestion, so over here, from our cameraman.
I'm not a professional chef, but that somehow seemed to work better than what we were doing. Our chocolate's done. I'm wearing oven mitts this time, so don't worry. It smells minty.
Show a picture of it.
That's the
Mint.
mint. Oh my gosh, it's really hot. I can hear it sizzling as I'm stirring. So I'm just gonna hold it with my glove and stir it. So this is our melted chocolate with the mint. It looked kind of sticky because of the mint. So I'm just gonna melt it some more because it kind of feels like the marshmallows when I'm stirring it earlier.
20 or 10.
And now I'm gonna. It's not even melt. Like, look what the mint did to it. Remember, we're just experimenting here. We're just making this up as we go. I'm afraid to eat this because it's really hot.
Just let it cool.
Oh, you almost left that.
Okay, I'm gonna go put this back in the microwave.
With oven mitts.
Yeah. So, 20 seconds, you said, Hunter?
Yeah.
Just remember, I'm a brunette with lots of blonde moments. So I can do that. Okay, I'm going to chop up some more Oreos to add to our mixture here. Oh, it's done. Okay. Oven mitts to protect my hands.
Do they still hurt?
Yes, it really hurts. The mint is not good for this. We should add chocolate syrup to it. Chocolate stirring spoon?
You should add this to it.
That's for later. That's for the marshmallow. Oh, that we're gonna add. Weren't we gonna add that to it?
I don't know.
That was our original plan. We should add it to it.
Just put
That.
add the,
Okay, now I'm gonna add the Cool Whip.
just a bit
Cool
though.
Whip.
And I was gonna
Oh, good.
No, don't shake it. Good.
Yum.
Cool Whip. It's like a dream.
Open. Yum.
Okay, here, let me.
Okay, now I'm gonna put.
He got caught in it.
I'm gonna go put this in the oven and
Wait.
microwave
No, don't put it
for
in the microwave.
20 seconds.
Just mix it up.
I wanna mix it then.
It spins. You at least put. Oh.
Oh, it made it melt more.
Okay, now let's throw it in here.
Okay, just. This is tempting.
Just
Okay.
You can hold that. Take this because it's really hot.
Ouch.
Sorry. And we're pouring it in.